Temporary wall systems. Temporary wall systems has developed a versatile product, temporary fences that serve multiple purposes. Beyond construction sites, these barriers are equally useful in settings like hospitals, where they can effectively separate construction areas from medical spaces, allowing both builders and healthcare professionals to work without disruption. The company's portfolio includes an interesting project involving a stadium where their fences were used to create corridors for soccer players. This allowed the athletes to move freely without losing focus or being constantly approached for autographs. Clients can request features such as doors, windows, code locks, and ventilation systems to suit their specific needs. The durability of these walls is ensured by their three-layer construction: an aluminum front, a galvanized steel back, and a 38mm thick polyurethane core sandwiched between. UPB. UPB is a major player in the industrial scene of the Baltic states with a strong focus on construction. They offer help to clients through every phase, from early consultations to the completion of complex engineering projects. For instance, UPB experts contributed to Sweden's Grid 17, a 5,900 square meter building featuring 2 rooftop terraces. UPB didn't just assist with the design. They also provided crucial parts of the precast concrete sandwich panel facade. Another notable project is Mary Elizabeth Hospital in Denmark, an 8-story building set to be finished in 2027. For this project, UPB has produced facade blocks that come to the site ready with glazing, wiring, ventilation, and fire safety components. AZURE Printed Homes. AZURE Printed Homes is making a difference both ecologically and in the housing market. They were the first company in the world to use robots to print houses from recycled plastic. But this isn't just a one-off project. They set up a factory a couple of years ago for mass production. Their houses are 30% less expensive than those built using traditional methods. For instance, an 84 square meter home costs around $200,000. Additionally, AZURE's Printed Homes robotic printing technology saves customers 70% of their time. Sometimes parts can be produced in as little as 4 days. On top of that, every 11 square meters of these homes recycles 100,000 bottles. PERI VARIOKIT. You probably know all about PERI. They're not just one of the world's top formwork manufacturers, but also impressive with their advanced engineering technologies. Today, PERI introduces VARIOKIT, an innovative, balanced concreting system designed for bridge construction. This system can create sections up to 5.75 meters long that weigh up to 300 tons depending on the design. These sections can curve and even spiral. The built-in automation helps control these parameters. Plus, VARIOKIT can be used with other PERI solutions like hoists and work platforms. FLEXIM Roof Mortar. Consider FLEXIM for your roof. This versatile paste has been used since 1985. It comes in strips that are easy to apply along the ridge and other roof areas. FLEXIM isn't just for leaks, though. You can use it to seal gaps between corrugated sheets or improve connections around chimneys. It's ready to use straight out of the package, allowing for faster work. about 5 times quicker than traditional methods. FLEXIM performs well in a wide range of temperatures, from -25 to 60 degrees Celsius. An added benefit is that it comes in several color options, which can match your tiles or other roofing materials. This helps ensure that your repair not only functions well, but also blends in with your existing roof. ViaCon UltraCor holds the world record for being the largest and strongest corrugated steel system out there, and it really proved its worth in Poland's WD-10 overpass. This impressive structure spans 92 meters in length and 26 meters in width, making it Europe's largest corrugated steel structure. That's pretty big, though it's still not quite as large as the Shamal Bridge in the UAE. Which currently holds the world record. Among UltraCor projects, both structures are incredibly sturdy. So sturdy, in fact, that this system can even handle railroad construction. It's quite versatile too, working just fine in temperatures from -50 to 50 degrees Celsius. When it comes to construction speed, you can put together a bridge measuring 100 by 20 meters in about 3 weeks. ClipStone ProPanel. ClipStone ProPanel makes large stone veneer panels that are easy to use. Instead of mortar, they use fasteners and special clips to keep them in place. They hold up well against weather and fire, giving you the look of stone while being easier on your budget. If your walls need to breathe, these panels won't interfere with that. They're a solid choice for decorating both interior and exterior spaces. The panels come in 2 sizes, 8 by 184 and 305 by 184 millimeters. Having these 2 sizes helps make the seams less noticeable and gives you more flexibility during installation. And there's one more good thing about ClipStone ProPanel. You can install them in any weather and you don't need to know masonry to do it. Forta. Let's look at what's happening in modular construction. Forta Pro has gotten pretty efficient at putting together modular structures. They can build, outfit, and install them in just 1 to 2 weeks. When you combine these modules, you end up with modern and cost-efficient buildings. To put it in perspective, if you were building 4 regular reinforced concrete buildings with 56 apartments, you'd need 12 to 15 times more concrete just for the foundation. Plus, building with Forta Pro's modules is less noisy and they use plenty of recyclable materials, which is better for the environment. Geveko BandFill. The USA has enough roads to wrap around the Earth 176 times, and since the world isn't switching to flying cars anytime soon, road maintenance crews everywhere still have plenty of work. Fortunately, the chemical industry keeps developing new ways to fix our roads. One of these solutions is BandFill, a sealant that comes in strips or rolls. It's pretty simple to use. You just roll it out where you need it and heat it with a torch, and it fills in cracks and joints. This makes it useful not just for general road repairs, but also for tidying up after installation of sewer manholes and storm drain gates. BandFill typically comes in sizes of 5 meters by 35 millimeters, and you don't need much to work with it, just a torch, some gloves, and a broom to sweep away dust and debris. RHINO carbon fiber CFRP. Let's talk about something interesting in Cupertino, California. While most people know this place for Apple's donut-shaped headquarters, there were also some massive concrete silos there. These silos were showing their age with cracks and damage, suggesting they needed some serious reinforcements. For example, wrapping them with RHINO carbon fiber CFRP strips was quite the project. The work crew had their hands full, using an impressive 946 liters of epoxy glue and covering about 557 square meters. But all their effort paid off, since carbon fiber is 10 times stronger than steel and doesn't corrode. These silos got exactly the kind of durable, long-term support they needed. INTERPOD. INTERPOD has been quite successful in the modular bathroom sector, having sold over 28,000 units so far. These modular bathrooms are pretty impressive. A crane can lift one into place in just 5 minutes. And you can usually start using about 2 hours later. That's because everything is already built in, from the plumbing to the toilet. The workers just need to hook up the water, electricity, and ventilation. Max Frank EGCOVOID. Designers struggle with the thickness and weight of reinforced concrete structures. How can you make buildings and structures lighter without sacrificing reliability? This is especially important when working on challenging soil, or when only a lightweight foundation is available. In these situations, EGCOVOID blocks are a great solution. They come in several versions, such as for floor slabs or foundations, and help create voids when pouring walls. The blocks are placed between the forms and builders continue to pour the mortar. EGCOVOID blocks can handle the necessary load thanks to their compressive strength of 100 kilonewtons per square meter.